Hi guys, welcome back to 4DDig. When trying to open a folder on a PC or create a new folder on a Windows computer, you may encounter issues such as Windows is unable to open the folder. There are several potential causes for the Windows cannot open the folder error. If you have relocated the folder or created a shortcut to it, you might encounter difficulties when trying to access it. If the folder was created on a damaged storage drive, retrieving it from there could prove to be problematic. Due to time constraints, there are still some issues that we will not elaborate in detail. Without further ado, let's start learning how to solve it. Method 1. Use CHKDSK command. For the first step, launch command prompt as administrator. You must enter the following command: CHKDSK /F/R/X. You can replace with the drive letter assigned to the volume. You can then proceed by selecting the Enter button. After the process complete, check if problem has been solved. Method 2. Restart File Explorer. Press Ctrl + Shift + Escape to end Task Manager. Locate Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and restart it. After restarting, try opening the folder again. Method 3. Use Powershell command. We'll open Powershell as administrator and then run the System File Checker command. First, press Ctrl + Shift + Escape to end Task Manager. Click on File. Then select Run New Task. Select Create this task with administrative privileges. Type PowerShell. Press OK. Now type sfc/scano. Press Enter. After scan complete, check if problem has been solved. If all the methods cannot help you out, I highly recommend you trying 4DDig Partition Manager. 4DDig Partition Manager is a reliable Windows partition management tool. It can not only help you migrate Windows OS SSD without reinstalling system, but also help you clone your entire disk or partition to upgrade disk. Moreover, it can help you resize, extend, split, create, or delete partitions. First, launch 4DDig. Head to Partition Recovery. Select Repair Partition and choose the disk where bad file is located. Hit Repair now. It will automatically fix all errors in your disk. Bonus tip: if you have lost important files among these errors, you can try 4DDig Data Recovery tool. It supports all kinds of data recovery. It can recover data from internal computer, SD cards, USB external hard drive, etc. It also supports data recovery from over 1,000 plus different type files, including photos, videos, documents, etc. You can easily restore your files with just one click. Hope it will help you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.